I do want to congratulate the Hostfully team on their elite status. What that means is that they are like 1 of 10 out of the 100 property management softwares that we connect with that we found exceed all of our expectations. So they have API messaging. This means that there's no need to log into your Vrbo dashboard to message travelers. There's also integrated reviews. Once you connect that Vrbo to Hostfully sync, it basically feeds the direct reviews from Hostfully on over to Vrbo. And then last, the new listing discounts. It's designed to boost the search position of new properties. There's a banner on the listing that'll let them know that, hey, this is a new property with Vrbo and you're getting a great deal on it. For the most part, 67% of our travelers are groups of friends or families. So that's 2 times the amount of people compared to other trips that we see on the Expedia group. The part I really like is that the Vrbo travelers are willing to spend more money too. The one thing or a few things that I want to highlight on this optimization guide first, key amenities. And to be totally clear with y'all, these are the top amenities on Vrbo that we see travelers use. The next thing is cancellation policy, and 49% consider the flexible cancellation policy extremely important. We see this truly in the booking ratios, but these sets, they do not lie.